the train passes through. See guys, see how close we are to the stalls here, man? It's got like a couple inches room. I have to watch out my camera doesn't hit anything here. Everyone's got their cameras out, GoPros, everything. So, cool experience for sure. Here I'm walking right now. This is where the train is gonna pass, guys. I hear the train honking. We're waiting. Okay, there's the train, guys. There's the train. The train just passing right here. And the market opens again. The market opens.